afternoon, Todd Butterfield for WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's Week in Review for November 17th, 2024. For stocks, I was looking maybe a few days higher early last week and then continue to roll over. In majority of cases, they really just started to roll over right at the beginning of the week and closed on the lows for the week. Wyckoff wave in front of us. You can see here that last buy signal did take us to a recovery high, but we did turn down technometer 43. I still think stocks lower. Wyckoff wave new index, same type of thing, making a new low. Still looks lower. That last little buy didn't continue into any strong gains, so I think that's showing some overall weakness. And the Wyckoff wave growth index did work a little bit higher with Tesla, etc., and then came under a little bit of selling pressure. Technometer was overbought, so again, still looking lower. SPY, I mentioned a sell signal last Thursday. That did close to catching the high, and I think we're rolling over technometer neutral at 44. Let's look for lower. TLT, I thought maybe could work a little bit higher before probing new lows. Here we are, probed a new low on Friday, technometer 41. I could see a little bit lower early in the week, and I think we'll finally get a bounce level on TLT and get that rally up to 95 or so. So we'll be looking possibly to be a buyer of TLT. Crude, I talked about continued weakness. That sell we had there a month and a half ago has been good. We are right here at these lows. I got an alarm set of 65. But again, I think we're going to break through those lows and drag XLE lower. XLE did have quite a bit outperformance here in the last 10 days or so. But I think it also will succumb to some selling. So let's look for lower. GLD, I talked about a break of 240 to scare everybody. Maybe something down here to this 231, 232 level. Technometer getting closer to oversold. Again, I think metals probably locked in some type of a couple months sideways to lower here. But I think the first bout of selling will end here next week. We'll get a recovery bounce. And then maybe some more selling in a few weeks before we make another long-term low and continue higher. Dollar, I talked about wanted to be short. It did break through that resistance there at 105 and change. Looks like we want to get above 107 and change before lower. So again, I'm looking for a sell point, but not there yet. Bitcoin, not much to add. We were overbought on Ethereum last week, which so far has kind of put a stop to the rally. My LA wave counts here, we still just extended that wave 3 purple. I would still like to see some type of pullback maybe to 84,000 this week and see how things act, which would be the purple wave 4. But for now, let's look for a little bit lower. Ethereum did kind of top out there with our overbought technometer. I talked about a break maybe down around 2,900. Could be a little jump across this creek and a pullback to it. That was previous support, so I think that 2,800 level is important. But let's see if we can get a breakdown to 2,900, 2,950, and then we'll look at everything there. And in the small coins, not much. CAS, somewhat here sideways. Drift, I talked about, probably was cooked up there after the exchange announcement. MPC continues higher off of that LPS, which is nice action. And TAO had the backup there is marked in the green highlight and had a nice little rally, little pullback here. That one still some selling coming in on the blue wave there while price is holding. So if these markets do turn higher, I think TAO could turn back and make new recovery highs. Have a great week trading. Thank you.